Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I thought it would be fun to share 2 really easy Halloween decor DIY ideas. It's always interesting when holidays roll around because I love holidays, love the parties, just love the atmosphere of it, but I don't love spending a bunch of money on like decorations for some reason. Can anyone else relate to that? Anyway, Halloween, it's hard for me to find like cute and not classy, but just like not tacky, I guess, Halloween decorations that I like. So this year I thought I'll just do a couple little projects with Hallie that I think she'll think is fun to decorate for Halloween, and then we can walk around our neighborhood and see all the outrageous decorations that people have, which is really fun. So the first DIY I want to share is making these stinking cute spiders. They're so cute, I think. I think they'd be so fun if you like make a bunch of these and like hang them. They could be cute hanging from the ceiling or like a door frame or something. I think that's fun. Or they look cute just like sitting on the ground next to some pumpkins or on a doorstep or wherever. But I just think these are so fun, and if you have kids, it's such a great activity to do with them because it's so simple and they'll have a lot of fun doing it. Hallie helped me make this one and she was so excited to show everybody her spider that she made. Okay, so material-wise for this little guy, I got pretty much everything from the dollar store, which is super awesome. I was going to use just like a styrofoam ball for the body, and they didn't have that at my dollar store. I went to my craft store thinking, oh, I'll just get one there because I know they have them. And at the craft store, like a good sized styrofoam ball was like $8. Why are they so expensive? I'm not gonna pay $8 for my styrofoam spider body. So I went back to the dollar store and I found these orange styrofoam pumpkins for $1. And so I was like, oh, this will work perfectly. So I picked up a styrofoam pumpkin. Then I got some black pipe cleaners. I had some black paint already and a paintbrush, and then I got some little googly eyes from the dollar store as well. Okay, so next we're going to make a giant spider web, and we have this hula hoop that we've had. I've spray painted it gold from like years ago because this is usually above my couch with like eucalyptus all around it, but we're switching things up. We're going to make it into a giant spider web. So all you need is like some sort of hoop. You can do a huge one with like a hula hoop, or if you just want like a little spider web, you can just get like a little embroidery hoop from a craft store. And then we have this yarn that's going to be our silk, our web. And we have, let's get our spiders. And we got these little spider rings from the dollar store that we'll put on our web. And I'm thinking maybe it might be cute to like write out the word boo or spoopy or something to like get stuck in the web too. That might be cute. So we're gonna make a giant spider web. Okay, let's see if we can get an angle where you can see the whole hula hoop, because it's kind of big. Okay, maybe that'll work. Yeah? I feel like that'd be good. Okay, I might need to pull up a picture of a spider web because I don't really know exactly how they look.
How does the spider webs do?
It looks like they look like this.
Oh.
You think?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so we're going to take our yarn and I'm going to tie the piece just up at the top to begin with. And then I'm going to kind of pretend that this hoop is like a pizza and like I'm like cutting it into pieces. So I'm going to tie this rope and loop it down here at the bottom.
That's like a pizza.
It is like a pizza. Okay, so I think this looks pretty good as like our initial wheel, and then judging by this picture, I'm just going to tie a little piece on one of these and just kind of make inside swirls. Let me peek through this hole. So I showed how I did this. Let me just tell you really fast. So I have a string that has a cut end. It needs to be cut. It can't be attached to the ball of yarn. So for each circle I make, I just take the string, wrap it around each individual vertical string and just like make a little knot in it and then move on to the next one so that it stays in place and looks like a spider web. So here's my last knot and we are done making our spider web. That looks so cool. Now, Hallie, we gotta put some spiders on it.
Okay.
Okay, and we just got the little, they're like spider rings so that they can just kind of hook into the yarn, I'm hoping. Oh yeah, look at that. Cute. You want an orange one too?
Yeah.
Okay. Yay! That turned out so cute, Hallie. I love it.
Just don't shout die outside.
Okay.
Mm.
High five.
Yes.